Hello, New School Beyblade here. Today I'm doing a unboxing of Riga. I'm not gonna say its name, but yeah. The Hasbro version. Really happy to get this guy. There's my knife. Yeah, definitely really interesting to get this guy into my collection. I know I'm missing a handful of bays still from this line. I'm still missing shark scale too. That sucks. Damn scalpers. Shit. What? Okay. But yeah, I'm definitely really happy to have this in my collection. Adding more to the collection is always really fun. Okay. Also, it's actually on my phone, but I was watching the third place for the FIFA World Cup. If you guys don't know, you probably saw it. Yeah. Right. Shit. Okay. Okay, there we go. Oh yeah, guys, if you guys see me out in the wild, feel free to say hi, because I've seen multiple kids doing double takes on these. Like, okay, yeah, if you see me, just say hi. Even if I'm at work, say hi. Guys, literally, no, Thursday I saw multiple kids, like, doing double takes on me. But yeah, if you guys see me, feel free to say hi. But yeah, this is a gorgeous QR code. God. Shit. Okay, there you go. So, switching all these guys. 4-piece. 455. This is interesting to see. But yeah. Right now, let's put this together. I love the details right here. Okay. Another big guy to my collection. And there you go, this big thick boy. Hope you guys like this video, like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this here, and goodbye.